Hello guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of browser on the application of Pinterest. You will go to settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When above, you will search about Pinterest and you will click. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click it clear data because that can delete your account. Here you will go to Play Store. You will search about Pinterest. If you find update, then you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.